Assalamualaikum, my dear students of class 10th. I hope that you all are fine. I am your mathematics teacher Ridha Imtiaz, and today we are going to solve quadratic equation using quadratic formula. As you know that the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we are going to solve this equation. Solving means that we have to find the value of x. So the formula which we will use is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so if there is any quadratic equation of this form, we can use this formula to find the value of x. Okay, so you have to remember this formula to solve any quadratic equation. Clear? Now let us take an example of the quadratic equation. Here look, this is the example of quadratic equation minus 2x square plus bx minus 2 equal to 0. It is a standard form of the quadratic equation. Okay, now look here, in the general form we have a here. Clear? So what is a in this equation? A is minus 2. Clear? Here we have plus. So what is with x square? It's plus a. Similarly with x square we have minus 2. So a is equal to minus 2. Clear? Then we have x के साथ we have plus b. यहाँ पे भी आप देखें we have plus 5 with the x. Clear? So what is b here? It is plus 5. Now look here at this, it is plus c. Clear? So यहाँ पर आपके पास what we have minus 2 in place of c. So c की वैल्यू है minus 2. आपने साइंस के साथ आपने ये वैल्यू लेनी है. So c की वैल्यू is minus 2. So c is minus 2. Now a, b and c. Put the value of a, b and c into this formula. Here you have to put the value of b, then a, then c. Clear? And you will, when after simplification, you will get the value of x. Clear? And look, here is plus minus, means that here we will get two values of x. Okay, in linear equation the power of variable is 1, so in linear equation we get one answer. It is a quadratic equation, and in quadratic equation the power is 2 and we will get two answers always. Okay, so keep this in your mind. Quadratic equation में two answers आएंगे हमारे पास solve के solution के बाद, and in linear हमारे पास only one solution आएगा, one value of x आएगी. Okay, so let us now solve question number 1 of exercise 1.2 using the quadratic formula. Now we have exercise 1.2 question number 1. Solve this equation, quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Okay, now if we look at this question is, or this equation is not in the standard form of quadratic equation. So first of all we have to convert this equation into the standard form of quadratic equation. So minus x square, put this 7x on the left side, minus 7x plus 2 equal to 0. Clear? Take minus common, we will get x square plus 7x minus 2 equal to 0. So now it is the standard form of quadratic equation. As we know that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the standard form, so we are going to compare the value of a, b and c. What is the standard form? ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So x square के साथ we have a. Here we have a as 1. So here a is equal to 1. b is equal to, this is plus b, it is plus 7. c is equal to minus 2. Okay, keep this in your mind, minus 2, not plus 2. So c is equal to minus 2. Clear? So this is the value of a, b and c. Now we have to use the quadratic formula to find the value of x. x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Clear? Minus then value of b. What is the value of b? It's plus 7. Clear? b square means that 7 square minus 4ac. What is a? A is 1, c is minus 2 over 2a. What is a? A is 1. Clear? So plus minus 7. 7 7 the 49. Minus plus 4 to the 8 over 2 1 the 2. Clear? So minus 7 plus minus 49 plus 8 is 57 over 2. So this whole is the solution of x. So put here x is equal to minus 7. Okay. So students, now we get two values of x. Clear? So write it in solution set. Minus 7 plus minus 57 over 2. Here we have two values of x. One is with positive sign and one is with the negative sign. So this is the answer of this quadratic equation. Clear? So what we did, we used the quadratic formula to solve the quadratic equation. Clear? So now we will solve question number 3. Okay students, now question number 3. Question number 3 is also not in a standard form. So first step is to convert this equation into a standard form, then we will put it into the formula. Okay. So under root 3 x square plus x minus 4 under root 3 is equal to 0. Now we can compare the value of a, b and c. Okay. सो डोंट मिस, जब भी आपने सॉल्व करना है आपने ए बी और सी की वैल्यू तब लेनी है जब आपके पास स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म होगी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन की, अदरवाइज यू विल गेट द रॉन्ग आंसर. क्लियर? सम स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं कि वो इसको ए बी एंड सी ले लेते हैं 4√3, जबकि ये सी नहीं है. सी ये तब होगा जब ये इक्वल के लेफ़्ट साइड पर आएगा. ठीक है? सो कीप दिस इन योर माइंड व्हाइल सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन. So now it is the standard form. Compare what is the value of a. The value of a is under root 3. What is the value of b? What is b? x के साथ जो भी टर्म होगी it is b. So here we have 1. So b is equal to 1. c. What is c? Minus 4 under root 3. Clear? Okay. So we have to find the value of x. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now put the value of b. What is b? b is 1. Plus minus b square mean 1 square minus 4ac. What is a? Under root 3. What is c? Minus 4 under root 3 over 2a. What is a? A is under root 3. Minus 1 plus minus 1 square is 1, minus minus plus 4 for the 16 under root 3 into under root 3 square over 2 under root 3. Clear? Now minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 16 square and under root will cancel, so we will get here 3 over 2 under root 3. Minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 16 3 the, yes, 48 over 2 under root 3. Minus 1 plus minus 49 over 2 under root 3. What is the under root of 49? It's 7. -1 plus -7 over 2 under root 3. Clear? So we get two values of x here. One is with +7 and one is with -7. Clear? Now we have to solve it more. So here we have x is equal to -1 plus -7 over 2 under root 3. Clear? So separate it, -1 plus 7 over 2 under root 3, comma, x is equal to -1 minus 7 over 2 under root 3. Clear? Plus minus minus 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 over 2 under root 3 minus 8 over 2 under root 3. 2 3 the 6, so 3 over under root 3. 2 4 the 8, 4 over 2 under root 3. Okay, sorry, 2 4 the 8, 4 over under root 3. Now students, we can write this 3 as अंडर रूट 3 इंटू अंडर रूट 3, क्योंकि देखिए जब आप यहाँ पर अंडर रूट 3 को अंडर रूट 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो ये बन जाता है अंडर रूट 3 का स्क्वायर, और स्क्वायर अंडर रूट से कटेगा तो वापस वी विल गेट 3. क्लियर? सो अंडर रूट 3 की जगह यू कैन राइट अंडर रूट 3, इसका स्क्वायर लेंगे तो वो क्या बनेगा, अंडर रूट 3 का स्क्वायर बनेगा, वो इससे कैंसिल होगा तो वापस 3 ही आता है आपके पास. क्लियर? सो इसकी जगह आप ये लिख सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ सो दिस विल कैंसिल विद दिस, सो x की वैल्यू हमारे पास आएगी x इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 3. क्लियर? और यहाँ से हमारे पास x की वैल्यू आएगी -4 ओवर अंडर रूट 3. सो व्हाट विल बी द स्क्वायर सॉल्यूशन सेट? सॉल्यूशन सेट इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 3 कॉमा -4 ओवर अंडर रूट 3. क्लियर? अब देखें यहाँ पर सिंप्लीफिकेशन पॉसिबल थी तो हमने इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया है. अगर यहाँ पर अंडर रूट 7 होता तो वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू सॉल्व इट, हम इसको यहीं पे सोल्यूशन सेट लिख देते अगर यहाँ पे अंडर रूट होता, लेकिन अब सोल्यूशन पॉसिबल है सो आप इसको आगे भी सॉल्व करेंगे. क्लियर? सो दैट वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. It is not in standard form, so first simplify it to make it in standard form of quadratic equation. So x plus 2 over x minus 1, 4 minus x, 2x, 2 1 by 3. X plus 2 x minus 1, 4 minus x over 2x, 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Clear? Taking LCM, multiplying with 3, 2x and x minus 1 on both side. Clear? So 3 2x x minus 1 को आपने x plus 2 over x minus 1 से भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 3 2x x minus 1 multiply with 4 minus x over 2x, which is equal to, let me erase it, okay, which is equal to 7 by 3 multiply by 3 2x x minus 1, x minus 1 cancel, 2x cancel, 3 with 3, so 3 to the 6 x plus 2 minus 3 x minus 1, 4 minus x, 7 to the 14 x minus 1, 6x square plus 12x, 4x minus x square minus 4 plus x, 14x square minus 14x, 5x minus x square minus 4, 14x square minus 14x. Clear? 6x square, 12x, 15x, 3x square, 12, put it on the left side, 14x square plus 14x equal to 0. 6 7 8 9, 9 minus 14 is minus 5x square 12x minus 15x is minus 3x. Minus 3x plus 14x is equal to plus 11x. Clear? And then we have here plus 12 equal to 0. Take minus as common. 5x square minus 11x minus 12 equal to 0. Now students, this is the standard form. Here a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 11 and c is equal to minus 12. Clear? Now you have to solve by using the formula and you have to solve it yourself. Clear? Now we will solve the next question. Okay, now question number 10. Minus l plus m minus lx square plus 2l plus m इंटू x. अब कुछ स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं कि वो इसको a कंसिडर कर लेते हैं, इसको b, इसको c. बट you have to check where is x square, where is x and where is a constant. So we are going to arrange it into the standard form. So minus lx square must be the first term, then plus 2l plus m x, then minus l plus m equal to 0. Clear? Now what is a? A is minus l. a क्या होता है? जो x स्क्वायर के साथ होगा. What is b? b is this whole 2l plus m. What is c? c is this whole with the minus sign, so minus l plus m. Clear? So here we have to put it in the formula. X is equal to minus b square minus 4ac over 2a minus b. What is b? 2l plus m. So you have to put the bracket must, okay, because this minus will change the sign in the next step. So जब भी two terms हो और बाहर minus हो, you always have to put brackets. Plus minus b square 2l plus m square minus 4a. What is a? Minus l. What is c? Minus l plus m. This is c over 2a. What is a? Minus l. Clear? So minus 2l minus m. Okay. Here we have to open the formula a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 2 to the 4l square plus m square plus 2 to the 4lm. Now look here, minus minus plus plus minus minus. Okay, minus minus plus plus minus minus 4l l plus m minus 2l. Clear? Now we have to multiply 4l with the l plus m. So we will erase it. Minus 2l minus m plus minus under root 4l square plus m square plus 4lm minus 4l square plus minus minus 4lm. 4l square minus 4lm. Clear? Over 2a minus 2l, which means. Clear? So minus 2l minus m. 4l square will cancel with 4l square. 4lm with 4lm. We have m square over minus 2l. Minus 2l minus m plus minus square will cancel with this. So we will get m over minus 2l. This is x. Now we have two values. So we will separate minus 2l minus m. एक दफ़ा आप इसको प्लस m के साथ ले लें. Then we have x is equal to minus 2l minus m with minus m over minus 2l. Clear? So m and m will cancel. Minus 2l over minus 12. Clear? So x is equal to 1. Okay, and here we have minus minus plus 2m minus 12. Take minus 2 common, we will get L plus m over 2L. 2 will cancel with 2, so minus L plus m over minus L. Okay, this is minus, so minus and minus cancel. Here minus 2 will cancel, so L plus m over L. That is the value of x. So what will be the solution set? Solution set is 1 and L plus m over L. Clear? So students, now you have to solve rest of the parts. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.